bersahadi menerima sumbangan. To say thank you once again to UMW Toyota. Terima kasih, kami cukup bersahadi. Terima kasih.
Destroyed day by day. Lands are being cleared for our comfort, for the commercial items we use. This journey will end, but I know where to start.
Sejarah melangkah menghijau sana alam pusaka merongkak langit menunjang bumi kuku sana alam pusaka bangsa hijau taman hijau sana.
Hai, bernama Lifestyle and Youth. My name is Sharifah Sabrina. I'm the president of PEKA, Pertubuhan Pelindung Khazanah Alam. Now today is our press conference on Save Our Rainforest Race 2018 will be held on the 24th of March. Put that in your diary, 24th of March this year. And it's going to be held in Hulu Selangor at Hutan Simpan Gading, Kerling. Alright, do follow us in our Facebook, PEKA Malaysia. And we are hoping to get about 2,000 to 3,000 participants where you will come and plant trees and you'll be walking in the most beautiful rainforest that we have. And we hope that you love our forests, respect our forests, because we have the best ever beautiful rainforest in the world. And I hope to see there on that day, 24th March 2018. Save Our Rainforest Race, or short form SOAR, is a yearly event, and this is our 6th edition. And we started in Pahang, and why we created this event is to create awareness where we want Malaysia to appreciate our nature, because if you become a nature lover, you will love everything. Please register yourself at online www.pekamalaysia.org. Follow us on our Facebook, PEKA Malaysia.
Hai, saya Bob Yusof. Hari ini saya berada di Concord, Kuala Lumpur untuk mempromosikan ataupun press conference bersama dengan PEKA Malaysia, iaitu press conference bersempena dengan Save Our Rainforest Race. Borangnya di website PEKA Malaysia. Jadi anda boleh dapatkan dekat situ. Join kami untuk bersama-sama dengan PEKA pergi menyelamatkan hutan, menanam lebih kurang 1,300 pokok yang akan ditanam pada acara itu nanti. Jadi kita dapat merentas desa lah, tapi dengan hanya bukan berlari lah, jalan, merasa keindahan alam.